Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to travel back in time to walk among ancient towers that have stood for over 1,000 years and witness a culture that's as vibrant today as it was centuries ago? If you have, then you're in the right place. Because today, we are embarking on a journey to the heart of the Cham Kingdom in Vietnam. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to share a complete budget breakdown and a sample itinerary that will help you plan your very own Cham adventure. This is a trip that will change the way you see history, art, and culture. Let's go. Our journey begins at the magnificent Po Nagar Cham Towers, a sacred site perched on a hill overlooking the Sai River in Nha Trang. As the sun rises, casting a golden glow on the ancient brickwork, you can almost hear the echoes of history. Built between the 7th and 12th centuries, these towers were dedicated to Yan Po Nagar, the goddess of the country. And right here, amidst these timeless structures, we witness something truly magical. The Apsara dance. The dancers, with their graceful movements and intricate costumes, seem to channel the spirits of the ancient goddesses. Hester. Each turn of the wrist tells a story of gods, heroes, and daily life. From a long-lost era, it's not just a performance. It's a living prayer, a dance that connects the past with the present. The rhythmic music, played on traditional instruments, fills the air, creating an atmosphere that is both serene and electrifying. It feels like we've been granted a private audience with history itself. The dancers' golden garments shimmer in the morning light, their expressions conveying a depth of emotion that transcends language. Watching Tim, you understand that this isn't just entertainment. It's the soul of the Cham people, beautifully preserved and proudly shared. Now, let's take a closer look at the architecture of these towers. What's truly astonishing is how they were built. The Cham people were master brick. They used a special technique where the bricks were fitted so perfectly together that you can barely see the mortar. Historians are still debating the exact methods they used, but one theory suggests they used a resin from a local tree to bind the bricks. As you walk around, you can touch the walls and feel the incredible craftsmanship. The intricate carvings on the towers depict various Hindu deities like Shiva, Ganesha, and Uma. Each carving is a work of art, telling a story from mythology. The main tower, dedicated to Po Nagar, is the tallest and most impressive. Inside, the air is thick with the scent of incense. You'll see locals coming here to pray, leaving offerings of fruit and flowers, a testament to the fact that this is not just a historical monument, but a living, breathing place of worship. The blend of Hindu and local animist beliefs is fascinating. It's a powerful reminder of how cultures can merge and evolve over time, creating something truly unique and beautiful. From the spiritual heights of Po Nagar, we travel to Botruk, one of the oldest pottery villages in Southeast Asia. This isn't just a place where they make pots. It's a place where they keep an ancient craft alive. What's incredible is that the techniques used here have been passed down from mother to daughter for generations and have remained virtually unchanged for centuries. The potters of Botruk don't use a potter's wheel. Instead, the artisan walks backward around the lump of clay, shaping it entirely by hand with simple tools like bamboo sticks and shells. The clay itself is special, sourced from the local riverbed, giving the pottery its unique texture and color. We had the honor of meeting Mrs. Thuan, a master artisan who has been making pottery since she was a little girl. Let's hear her story. She explains that every piece she creates holds a piece of her soul. She tells us how the clay is mixed with sand, how it's shaped with love and patience, and then fired in an open-air pit using straw and wood. The firing process is unpredictable, giving each piece its own distinct pattern of smoky blacks and earthy reds. It's a dance with fire. Holding one of these pots, you can feel the warmth and the human touch. It's not a mass-produced item. It's a piece of history, a story of a community that has held on to its identity with pride and resilience. Each pot, vase, and statue tells a story of the Cham people, their daily life, and their deep connection to the earth. I know many of you are probably already dreaming of your own trip here. Planning a journey like this can seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. I've got you covered. I've put together a detailed guide that includes everything you need to know, from transportation options and recommended local guides to to the best times to visit. You'll find all of this information waiting for you in the description below this video. So, if you're serious about experiencing the magic of the cam culture for yourself, make sure to check it out. I've done the research so you can focus on the adventure. This guide will be your perfect starting point to plan an unforgettable cultural immersion. Now, let's get back to our journey, because you can't experience a culture without tasting it. And speaking of taste, it's time to explore the flavors of Cham cuisine. We're heading to a local family-run restaurant that was recommended to us for its authentic dishes. Cham food is a wonderful blend of spicy, sour, and savory flavors, with a heavy emphasis on fresh herbs and vegetables. One of the must-try dishes is ban can, a savory mini pancake made from rice flour, cooked in small terracotta molds over a charcoal fire. They're often topped with quail eggs, shrimp, or squid, and served with a tangy fish sauce, dip in fresh mango slices. The combination of the crispy pancake, the savory topping, and the sweet and sour sauce is just incredible. Another dish you have to try is goi kumai, a raw fish salad. Now, don't be scared. The fresh fish is marinated in lime juice, which cooks it, and then mixed with shredded green mango, peanuts, and a whole bunch of fresh herbs. It's refreshing, zesty, and bursting with flavor. We also tried a hearty goat curry, slow-cooked with a special blend of Cham spices. It was rich, aromatic, and so tender. Eating this food, surrounded by the warmth and hospitality of the Cham people, is more than just a meal. It's an experience that connects you to the land and its people. Every bite tells a story of tradition, family, and the bountiful nature of this region. It's a culinary adventure that will delight your senses and leave you craving for more. As our day comes to an end, we find the perfect spot to watch the sunset. The sky transforms into a canvas of fiery oranges, soft pinks, and deep purples, painting the ancient landscape in breathtaking colors. We see the silhouettes of the Cham towers against the vibrant sky, a timeless image that feels both peaceful and profound. It's a moment of reflection, a time to absorb everything we've seen and experienced today, from the mystical Apsara dance and the architectural genius of the towers, to the ancient craft of bow truck and the delicious flavors of Cham cuisine. This journey has been a deep dive into a culture that is rich, resilient, and incredibly welcoming. The Cham people have faced immense challenges throughout history, yet they have managed to preserve their unique identity, their language, their art, and their traditions. It's a powerful lesson in cultural preservation and the enduring strength of the human spirit. Watching this sunset, I feel a deep sense of gratitude for being able to witness this beautiful dance of culture and history. Alright, as promised at the beginning of the video, let's talk about the practical side of things, the budget and itinerary. For a trip like this, you're looking at a surprisingly affordable adventure. The entrance ticket to the Po Nagar Cham Towers is about $2. For the Pottery Village experience, including a hands-on workshop, you can expect to pay around $10 to $15. A full, delicious Cham meal will cost you about $5 to $10 per person. So, a full day of immersion could cost as little as $30. Here is a sample one-day itinerary. Start your morning at Po Nagar to catch the Apsara dance and avoid the crowds. Then, take a taxi or rent a scooter to Bow Truck Pottery Village, which is about a 2-hour scenic drive away. Spend a few hours there, have lunch, and then head back to enjoy the sunset. This itinerary gives you a perfect blend of history, art, and local life. Of course, you can customize it, but this is a great starting point for your planning. This journey is more than just a vacation. It's an education, an inspiration, and an experience that will stay with you forever. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey through the land of the Cham. I hope this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore this amazing culture. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button. And more importantly, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next trip. Your support means the world to me and allows me to keep bringing these stories to you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.